Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting error. So let's get started right away. When you're opening up the Telegram application, if you only see waiting for network or connecting at the top section, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. The first thing to do is to see whether you are connected to your Wi-Fi or data network. If you're not, then make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and then see if this helps. If it still doesn't work, then make sure you are updated to the latest version of the Telegram application. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram application, if you see an update button, then tap on it to update the app. Once the application is updated, go ahead and open it up and see if this error still continues. If it still doesn't work, then you can simply long press on the Telegram application and then tap on Info. Now from the settings page, scroll down and tap on Storage and then tap on the Clear Cache option to clear your Telegram cache. Now go back to the Telegram application and you will see that it will start to work. And that is how easy it is to fix connecting issues on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.